Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to tackle the game room upstairs. I have never done a clean with me upstairs in the game room, so I decided to go ahead and do that for you guys. This is where the girls hang out. This is where I let Chloe just make a complete mess. That way nothing will not come downstairs, which I am so grateful for. They have had a 3-day weekend, so I have really just let this space go. It does not always look like this because Sydney, which is my oldest daughter, she can't stand all this mess up here. I promise you, we have went through Chloe's toys and have gotten rid of a lot of stuff. She just really has a lot of toys. As you're watching this video, you're going to see who doesn't mind cleaning and who has a problem with it. And of course, the person that makes this mess is the one that has a problem with it. She'll help a little bit, but she fusses throughout the whole process. And she would rather just play with her toys than put them up. It's so funny because if I was to let you guys hear the actual audio, you guys would probably be laughing through the whole video. I have not found anything that will house all of her toys and still be aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Something that will go with the furniture that's up there and just kind of blend in. That's what I'm looking for. So I haven't found that. So until then, I'm just going to keep using the Walmart buckets. If anybody has any suggestions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section because I am so open to suggestions. A lot of times she will sneak her snacks up here and eat them, which I do not allow them to eat upstairs just because I don't want to mess. I don't want the carpet ruined. My house is a no-shoe house. We don't wear shoes in our house, and I know everybody's not with that, but that's how it is for our house, just because I don't want anything tracked on my floor. I work for a lab. I'm telling you, there is some disgusting stuff out there. She loves to be in front of the camera, guys. She tries to get all her toys because Sydney is going to vacuum all the toys up because she just hates when Chloe puts her toys everywhere. As you can see, she's really working hard, laying on the couch. I wanted to go ahead and move the whole couch and vacuum under the couch. I also love to vacuum. I love to vacuum. I love to use my squeegee and do the windows and the mirrors in the house. I don't know if it's a fetish or what, but I just love to vacuum. I don't know if I like to just see the lines in the carpet. It's probably weird to you guys, but the gray sofa in the game room I got from Home Zone, which is the same place I got the other sofa that is in our family room. And that store, again, is only local to people that are in Texas. I got those gray lamps that are sitting there in the back from At Home. And I got them because I love the lines that are in the lamp. And I got those probably 6 months ago.
Business. I can be your gun, baby, you will be the trigger. Let's put up a show that we'll never forget. And yeah, baby, there's no shame.
And that blanket I got from Home Goods this past Christmas season. And it's called a rope throw blanket. It's something that Sydney wanted.
I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smoother side. And when we are out cruising, you don't.
I am so sorry for the glare. I did not realize how much of a glare it was until I went into post editing. I was just trying to make sure I showed you guys how it looked from the other side of the room. So I apologize for that. With this area in the game room, I just try to make it comfortable for the girls, somewhere where they can hang out with their friends and their cousins and just have fun. So I try not to clutter the space. That's why it's kind of open. Also, I prefer for Chloe's toys to stay upstairs. That way we won't have to be rushing if somebody's going to come over to clean up the space, and it will always stay up here. That way I don't have to worry about it, because usually my guests do not come upstairs. It's getting warmer. We're able to go outside. We have went on a couple walks already. I am so excited. We finally got the parts to our pool in. As you guys know, with the Texas ice storm we had, it froze our pool. Our pumps broke. They bursted. It was just a mess, and it took a while for us to get some parts. So we finally got those parts in. So my husband put all that together. Our pool is filtering as we speak. I am going to get some new outdoor furniture, and I'm so excited to show you guys that in a video. And real quick, before we get the actual outdoor furniture, we're going to have our house professionally power washed. And we've never had that done. This is our first time. It is recommended that you do it twice a year. It says it removes mold, mildew, and baked on dirt from the outside of your house. So I'm excited to see how that's going to look. And I'm excited to see how it looks after he cleans our driveway, because I am just so ready for the summer. I'm excited to get back in our pool and just excited to have some get-togethers.
Slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't want to get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart.
I just want to say thank you guys for stopping by and watching my video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. To all my new subscribers, I want to say welcome and thank you for subscribing to my channel. To all my old subscribers, thank you for rocking with me as always. And if you are new here and you have not hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my